Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create beautiful Facebook post designs on different niches. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms online, and you can also target the offline market. And the other method is that you can search on google.com different websites according to your niche, and then you can contact with them through email or their number and ask them about your services, and they will surely hire you. You can say them that you can maintain their social media presence or Facebook presence. They will surely hire you. So let's get started towards our video. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create Facebook post design on personal development niche. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online available. It is very easy, handy to learn, and if you know complete about Canva, go to my channel Iron Tech, and there is a playlist called Canva designing course. After watching the playlist, you completely know everything about Canva. So I click on create a design. Here I search Facebook post and I choose Facebook post square. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so wait for some seconds. So it is loaded. After that I search here personal development. So it gives me different templates, but they are not about personal development. So we search only personality. Or self-confidence. So there are different like templates about personality development. Self development is also included in personality development. So I click on this image and the template is ready, and I would like to change the font style. So let's see. Yeah, it's look good. After that you can change the element, but I think it's good, but I want to change the background and it's look good. So you can change these points. You can get the points from Google. Basically you need to get details from the client and put it in any template. Like there are other different templates like these and this. There are many templates. You can easily choose one of the template and customize it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.